got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from C&Rsenal. This is from their 2021 fall Indiegogo campaign t-shirt fundraiser for 2022. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how this did. Let's go ahead and do a slice up the side. The top of the bag here. Not sure if there's going to be a manifest or not. Okay. So I'm just going to dump everything out. Oops. Get this out of the way. Check my notes here. Okay, so we have a bundle of t-shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure. How do you want to do this? Start from the back to the front. So no particular order. We have, let me see if I raise this a little bit closer so it makes it easier for me at least. Okay. Tapon Mount Ortega, 1917. See, we're scaling the mountain there. We got C&Rsenal on this sleeve with the rifle, with the time and place, and bear sleeve on this side. Next one, turning it over, is God Created Man. Sam Colt could not spell the sentence. And then we have on this sleeve C&R magazine, and then C&Rsenal, and then bear sleeve. And we have the sky blue version of what they've titled is the Clay Witch. Shut up, Kevin. Their trap there. And then on this sleeve, what do we got here? Broken clay, bear sleeve. This one will be the Cycle of Violence. Yeah, that one's pretty cool. And last but not least, the 5th title of this year's series, Tankaver 1918. Dramatic illustration there. And then on this shoulder, of course, is the Tankaver. C&Rsenal spelled correctly, and bear sleeve. So, again, these were from the Indiegogo 2021 fall fundraiser for C&Rsenal for upcoming year 2022. Working backwards, no particular order, Tankaver 1918, the Cycle of Violence, the Clay Witch, the Sam Colt. And what we started off with was Tapum. So again, limited edition, of course, from C&Rsenal. Feel free to check out their channel. Feel free to check out other unboxing or unbagging videos on this channel. We also do other ones as well as show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tools, expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and also we do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.